Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while since I vlogged, but I'm gonna vlog this weekend. I don't think I'm getting up to anything crazy, but I took today off work. I have to bake some cakes today, but I'm gonna take Chip for a walk and we're gonna try the longer walk today because it says it's only 15 degrees out. And then I'm gonna try to go to the gym. So I'm just gonna bring you along and show you what I do today and the rest of the weekend. Now Chip and I are just getting ready to go over my mom's for a visit. I can't decide what to wear. This shirt has like a grease stain on it from something and I don't know. Anyways, I'm struggling. Ever just go in your closet and you try on like 16 things and you just don't want to wear any of it? That's my day today. So I settled on this black top and jean shorts. Okay, so I've been back from my mom's for a little while now. I think I showed mom and dad painting. They have these Adirondack chairs and they had them last year and they're just repainting them the same color because they're a little worn off. My brother's getting married next weekend, so and they're getting married like in my brother's yard and my mom's yard. They're like right next to each other, so my parents are getting their yard ready for that. I forgot to show you the fire pit out back that Seamus put there, but he put a walkway across the front with flagstone and the yard will be all finished for Ryan and Holly's wedding. So yeah, I'm home now and I have the stuff out to make supper. I'm gonna make salmon. I got this at the grocery store yesterday and we're gonna have broccoli with it and like little baby potatoes maybe if they're still good, and then strawberry shortcake for dessert. Morning guys, it's Friday, it's 10 after 7. I've been up for a little while already. I couldn't get comfortable while sleeping. I was laying down too long, I guess, and now I have to just get up and move. But I fed Chip, Chippy. I fed him, but now we're gonna go for our morning walk. And I have an appointment later, and then I have to run to Bulk Barn and the grocery store to get a few things for my cake order that I have due tomorrow. Hey guys, it's a little bit later now. I went to the gym, came home and showered, and now I'm headed in to my appointment. Before I go to my appointment, I'm going to run to Bulk Barn and the grocery store really quick, and if I have time, I'm gonna run to the pet store too. I'll be done around 12, and then I can bring lunch out to my mom's. My mom and dad will be there, and then Seamus is working on their yard, so I'll bring lunch to him and his buddy too. Okay, so I went into Bulk Barn and I got a box and a cake board, which is in the trunk, and then I got a couple different candies that are black and red and some black and red and white sprinkles because I have to decorate a graduation cake and cupcakes today, later on today. It's for a school that the colors are black and red, so I got some candies and sprinkles to try and make it look cute. Okay, so I just got out of my appointment and now I'm in the Wendy's parking lot. I decided I'm not going to go to the pet store because I can get the food tomorrow, and I'm going to go to the grocery store closer to home after I eat lunch. It's 12:15 now, and I'm just pulling through the Wendy's parking lot. It's going to be quite a big order. It's 5 different meals because I'm going to my mom's house.
Honey, can I have 2 number 2s, please, with only ketchup and cheese on the burger? No, I'm also going to get 3 number 8 combos, and all of them with chili instead of the fries. That's it. Thank you.
Okay guys, so I'm at mom's. We had lunch, and now Nathan, my nephew, wants to say hi.
Hi.
Wave. Hi. Don't put me.
What is it?
I'm vlogging.
Oh. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Okay, so I'm just leaving mom's. It's 10 to 2. I was gonna go home and decorate the cakes right now, but my mom has a sore foot and she was gonna go to the grocery store and she's like limping on it. So I told her that I'm gonna go to get her groceries and I wrote everything down she needed. So I'm gonna go take Chip outside really quick and then go to the grocery store, take those back to my mom, and then I'll do the cakes tonight. Took a little pit stop home to take Chippy out to pee before it starts pouring. Hey Chippy.
Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm
Okay guys, I'm all finished with the cake and the cupcakes. You saw the cake in the last shot and I have all the cupcakes here. You saw me decorate those. And now me and Seamus and Chip are gonna go into Canadian Tire.
Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be
Chip and I are just sitting in the Canadian Tire parking lot waiting for Seamus to come back out. Seamus is going golfing tomorrow and I think he needs golf balls and tees, I think. He's confused why Seamus went in. I'm obviously staying in the car because we have Chip, and then we might go get an ice cream cone somewhere.
Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break.
Hey guys, it's Saturday. Chip and I are just out for our morning walk, and all I plan on doing today is cleaning the house and delivering the cake that I decorated last night. So we're just gonna walk around the track and then go have some breakfast and clean up the house. Okay, so I just got back from delivering the grad cake and cupcakes, and before I left I went downstairs to switch over the laundry, and like every time I go into the basement it gives me like anxiety and stress because it's disgusting down there. It's not like necessarily dirty, it's just dusty, I guess, and we throw everything down there that doesn't have a home up here, which is a lot. So like Christmas decorations, and there's clothes down there belong to Seamus, and a lot of recycling that is out of control. Like we put plastic and paper stuff out every second week with our garbage, like in the blue bags, but there's like bigger cardboard boxes that I need to break down, so I'm gonna do that. Anyways, I'm gonna tackle that today, but before I do that, there's light bulbs down there that are like yellowy. I find that it's so dark down there, so I wanted to go buy some new light bulbs that didn't cost too much, so I went to the dollar store and I found some. But I went to the dollar store thinking that I was just going in for light bulbs and a broom, but I came out with a lot of stuff, so I'm going to show you what I got. So I got this broom. So this is going to be my basement broom because I don't want to take my Dyson downstairs. I feel like it'll die down there. I saw this little container, it was $1.50. I thought this would be good that I could put lint into it before I take it upstairs to the garbage. So it's like its own little garbage can down there so the top of the dryer doesn't look disgusting. I went to go to the dollar store to get the light bulbs because I needed 6 of them. I didn't want to go to like Canadian Tire or something and pay like $10 a light bulb. So I got 6 of the light bulbs. I needed large freezer bags, and there's only 12 in here, but until I get a bigger pack of them, that'll do. And then I got a roll of this drawer liner. Then I saw these cotton pads, and I'm gonna use these to clean Chip's ears because I've been using paper towel and it's too rough on his ears. I got a shower curtain liner, and it was only $3. And then I saw this note card organizer. It's this small container, and it comes with dividers, and you can put cue cards in there. All of my recipes are in this thing that sticks on the fridge, and it's getting out of hand, so I'm hoping at one of my days off I'm gonna be able to rewrite all of these onto cue cards and then fit them all in here so it'll be better. So like, here's one of my recipes. Look how worn out this is, it's disgusting. But like, it would fit in there like so. They're all bad, like worn off, like I've had to write on them multiple times. So I'm going to do that with my cue cards, and then I'm gonna laminate them, and then I'm gonna put them in this little container to keep them over there in the corner. And then lastly, I got this 3-subject notebook. I thought it was really pretty, and it's like lined paper, and there's 3 different colors on the side for like 3 subjects, but I think I'm gonna use this as a notebook for wedding stuff. Oh, I forgot, I got these containers too. I've never seen them at the dollar store with straight edges like this. Usually they're like a little bit angled, so you can't fit, like, it doesn't fit nicely, but these ones, I'm not a huge fan of the pattern on the side, but these ones actually fit together. So I got 2 of these. This one was $2 and this one was $3. Before I get to the basement, I'm going to clean upstairs because I know that if I go do the basement right now, I'm not gonna wanna clean up here, and that has to get done too. Okay, so everything is clean. The floors are still wet in the living room. Chip is in his kennel because I don't like him walking on the floor, obviously. So the floors are all clean, and it's 25 after 12. So I'm gonna have some lunch, and I'm going to have the easiest lunch of all time. Okay, so I had some lunch, and now I'm going to the basement. It's kind of dark down here, but it's a mess, and I'm gonna show you a before and after. I don't think I'm gonna film anything while I'm doing it because I want to watch YouTube videos, because I know it's gonna take a really long time. I'll show you the before. All right, so this is our basement. It's a mess, and there's a big stain on the floor from the furnace from long ago. Seamus's workout machine that does not get used. And then over here, there's a room that is like for paint and stuff. We have old paint in there. Our fridge. I have a bunch of shelves over there, so this can be organized in here, and it was, but it's just a huge mess. Look at this recyclables. I need to go to the bottle depot because these are all like pop cans and bubbly cans and Fresca cans. So I need to count those and take them and break all this cardboard down. Seamus's tools are in there, and it looks neat because it's in there, but if you open those doors up, it's just a disaster. So I've been doing laundry all morning, but I'm going to continue to do laundry. You see I got a few piles here I have to do. and I'm gonna switch out the light bulbs and see if it makes it any better, and then start tidying up. Am I the only one that keeps like organizational containers on hand? Like, who knows, I might need this, or these, or these, or this. Okay, so I'm a sweaty mess, but I finished the basement. I decluttered some stuff and I moved some stuff around, and now you can actually see it obviously still looks like an unfinished basement, but it's much cleaner now, so I'll show you. So now when I come down the basement, the Bowflex isn't like right here, it's over here now. I left the flooring here. This is the flooring that's gonna go on our porch. The floor still looks bad, but I swept it and vacuumed it. And I moved the recyclables over here because these are the ones that have to go out on garbage day, and I tied up all of the boxes to take that out. And I'm gonna make this like the recyclable station now. It used to be over here, and every time I come down over the stairs it was just too much, so it's over here now. So I fed Chip and got in the shower after that and folded a few loads of laundry, and I got my list together, and I'm in the car now and I'm headed to the pet store and Walmart because I have a few things that I need to get. Depending on what time it is, I might go look in Winners. Alright, so I just pulled up to PetSmart. I'm gonna head in. All I need to get is dog food for Chip. Okay, so I got my Freshie. And I'm just eating in the Walmart parking lot before I go in. So there's rice at the bottom, and there's corn and avocado and tomato and beans and lime and chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'm gonna head into Walmart to get the few things that I need. Okay, so I'm back in the car from Walmart. I have all my stuff back there, and I can show you what I got when I get home. I'm not gonna go to the mall. I didn't realize, but they closed at 7, so it's closed now, so I'm just gonna go home. Okay guys, so I'm just down getting the last load of laundry out of the dryer for the night. I just have to fold all these blankets, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm gonna edit this video now. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.